Tai Chi Walking is a gorgeous move from the Tai Chi culture that helps you develop balance and ease and grace. And in this tutorial, we are going to go from the basics into something a bit more advanced and to work with the balance and grace that is your birthright and is your potential. So let's break down Tai Chi Walking step by step. Firstly, it is a moving meditation. So no matter what's happening in the mind, am I doing this right? Bring your awareness down into your feet and try this with me. I invite you to get up and move and just to have your awareness down on your feet. And then Tai Chi Walking is rolling from heel to toe, and there's a slight rock, so the last toe to land is the big toe. And so playing with that, going from heel to toe and trusting your feet. So your spine is nice and long, you're not looking down at your feet. Can you bring your spine up and you're relaxed, going from heel to toe, heel to toe. Then let's go to level 3. You can try going backwards. That's toe to heel, toe to heel. Beautiful. Then begin to play with it. So maybe you're going forward, maybe you're going back, and you see as I'm turning my body, I'm bringing my foot to a 45-degree angle, and then I'm landing on this foot, and then walking forward. So see how effortlessly and gracefully you can do these turns. So you bring your foot forward, land that foot back, pivot on the heel, and then we're going forward again. Lovely. And noticing what's happening in your mind right now. Can you come back into your body, bringing your awareness down into your feet, a moving meditation. Inviting a softening of the face, relaxing the forehead and the eyes, the cheeks and the jaw. A surprise leg lift, pointing the toes. Can you hold the balance? And lowering down. Beautiful. And a surprise leg lift, other side, lifting up. Nice. And then how gently, gracefully can you place this foot back down? Amazing. Loving a movement. Great. Now maybe speeding it up a little bit. And you can try some spins like that. So we're going forward and then turning, landing backwards. And there's no right or wrong, enjoying moving your body just as you are, playing with this movement. And the real key to get here is the rocking from the heels to the toes, or if you're going backwards, the toes to the heels. How gently can you land your feet? Softening your whole body, your spine is still long. Are you ready for the next stage? The next stage is a really beautiful move called cloud walking, where the same hand and the same foot are lifted, and it's kind of like you're Pinocchio, you are a puppet, and now your arms are gracefully pulling up the leg, and it's cloud walking. Really lovely, this one. It's a great one to work with the balance and with the ease and grace. And remembering Tai Chi is about embracing ourselves where we are, enjoying moving our bodies, being present with our body. Noticing if you're in the mind right now, coming back, softening your face. And no matter what your movement is feeling like, can you invite some softness, acceptance, and joy. Beautiful. So that is cloud walking. And now inviting a Tai Chi energy ball. Haha. So starting with one leg, playing with a ball of energy. So you've got this great big beautiful ball of energy, and one of the rules of Tai Chi energy balls is you're not in control. So now your Tai Chi energy ball is taking you for a Tai Chi walk. Hee. Now seeing if you can keep that same Tai Chi walking, how gracefully can you lower down your feet? And you're playing with this ball of energy. Maybe it's heavy. Maybe it's taking you down to the ground. How heavy is this Tai Chi energy ball? Or maybe it's really light. Maybe it's lifting you up. Beautiful. Maybe inviting a leg lift. It's okay if you lose your balance. That's part of the greater balance of enjoying yourself and having fun with your body. Trying another leg lift. Great. Letting go of the Tai Chi energy ball, our final stage, is bringing some Kung Fu into it. Now, Tai Chi walking is a really powerful way to strengthen your Achilles, to strengthen your calves, to open up your ankles. So you can see here, my knee's going over my toe. How low can you make a Tai Chi walking? And you're gracefully, effortlessly moving across the room, and you're getting into that Achilles, waking up the ankles. You're almost having your whole weight here. So I'm pausing here for a moment and then landing my other foot. So then if you want to make it real Kung Fu, you're getting nice and low. You could even bring your Tai Chi energy ball back. See, I'm going backwards here, getting into my ankles, turning. So we're going to have another minute here now, freestyling, having fun, combining any of those elements that we just explored. Getting low, getting high. Maybe your Tai Chi energy ball is heavy. Maybe it is light. Got another 30 seconds here, playing with your body, no right or wrong. Having some joyful Tai Chi walking movement. Another 10 seconds. Beautiful. And bringing in the heavenly chi, breathing in, raising up to the sky, breathing out. Earthly chi, palms to the ground, breathing in, breathing out. We'll try one more of those, relaxing the face, breathing in. Heavenly chi, breathing out. Breathing in, earthly chi. Breathing out. And your left leg, picking up your left arm. Feet together, hands by the sides, taking a breath. And our Tai Chi salute, 2 tiger mouths coming together, and a bow, acknowledging all the beautiful beings that we are sharing our practice with. I hope you enjoy your Tai Chi walking.